Hey guys, welcome to sunny Bermuda. As the grass slowly fades, as fall rolls in, or I guess I should say blowing in with the leaves, I'll be spending a lot of time in the garden and also down there fishing in the pond. So I wanted something to keep my feet dry. So I have a new pair of shoes I want to try out. So let's take a look at them real fast. Alright guys, got some Kalkal. Every step is trustworthy. Check out these boots. They are a deck shoe. Brand new. From Kalkal. Check these out, see what they look like. Oh yeah. Nice rubber sole. Looks very comfortable. As you can see, I wear a 10.5. Perfect little shoe to work in the garden or walk around the pond fishing. Keep my feet dry, nice and dry. Take a look at the other one here. Oh yeah, check it out. Beautiful shoe. Love the color. Nice sole all the way around. Look at that. Bottom. Got enough traction so it's not too slippery. What's that say? Life is full of hope. Yes, it is. The road is at your feet. That's pretty slick. Alright guys, I'm going to put these on. I'm going to give them a try. Time to do a little work in the garden and a little weed eating down by the pond. Slip on these Kalkal shoes. Don't want my feet get wet. It's 60 degrees today, so wet feet would not feel good. Perfect fit. Okay guys, I just finished working down in the garden and also down by the pond in these Kalkal deck shoes, and they are called deck shoes. They're not the boots, like the tall boots. They are deck shoes. They are waterproof all around the sole. Got a little, I love this membrane here. It's very flexible. But what my favorite part about these shoes were, when I first put them on, I noticed the arch support in them. It's not a hard support, but it's a nice cushion inside, and it comes up, fills in the arch perfectly, and the heel actually has some cushion. Perfect for my old feet. But yeah guys, if you enjoyed this video or want to check out some of these deck shoes, perfect for working in the yard as well, especially if you get out and do some mowing in the dew while it's still wet outside. Give them a shot. Alright guys, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, make sure you subscribe, and go visit my website, sunnybermuda.com, and also bermudalawncalendar.com. Find out step-by-steps on how to take care of your lawn. Right now, the grass is dormant, as you could see over there, and won't be long till spring. It'll be here before you know it, but it is 1st of December. So guys, we'll see you in the next one. Hope you have a great day.